Drag the part to the right place. Done! It's time to fuel. Timber loader. Choose the refueling gun of the same color as the tank cap. Look at the indicator. It shows how much fuel there is in the machine. Go on. Pump. Hooray! Now we can remove the wood from the plot. Tap the screen to keep building. Let's fix the rusting. Move the tool to clean the stain. Let's paint over the discoloration. Keep up the good work. We did it! Build your own vehicle park. Drag a vehicle to its silhouette. We did it! Done! Help the car reach its destination. Let's tap on the object to remove it from the road. Tap on the objects to clear the way. Keep up the good work. Let's crack the biggest rocks. Let's wash. Hydraulic hammer. Clean the dirt off the machine with a brush. Now let's wash off the rest of the foam. Hooray! Build your own vehicle park. That's all.